The Four Noble Truths are the most basic expression of the wisdom of Buddhism. They are the truth of suffering, the truth of the origin of suffering, the truth of the cessation of suffering, and the truth of the path to the cessation of suffering. The truth of suffering is that life is full of suffering. This suffering includes the suffering of birth, old age, sickness, and death, the suffering of being separated from what we love, and the suffering of not getting what we want. The truth of the origin of suffering is that our suffering is caused by our attachment to things that are impermanent, such as our bodies, our possessions, and the people in our lives. We suffer because we think that these things will make us happy, but in reality, they only bring us suffering. The truth of the cessation of suffering is that it is possible to end our suffering. This can be done by cutting off our attachment to things that are impermanent. When we do this, we will no longer suffer. The truth of the path to the cessation of suffering is that we need to follow the Eightfold Path. This path includes right understanding, right thought, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. By following this path, we can end our suffering and find peace.